Hello and welcome to the channel. If you love summer, you're going to love what we have for you next. Ever feel like you're melting into your chair, wondering if it's socially acceptable to live in your fridge? Welcome to summer in full swing. While the sun is great for beach days and barbecues, it can also make you sweaty. But don't worry, you don't need to relocate to the Arctic or invest in a personal air conditioner. The secret to staying cool might just be hiding in your kitchen. Let's look into 5 foods that can help reduce body heat naturally and a few you might want to avoid. Watermelon, the summer staple. Watermelon is one of the most common and refreshing foods during summer, and for good reason. It's made up of about 92% water, making it a great choice for staying hydrated when the temperature rises. On hot days, eating watermelon can help cool the body naturally and prevent that sluggish, overheated feeling. It's also a good source of vitamin C and antioxidants, which may help reduce inflammation caused by heat stress. The mild sweetness and high water content make it easy on the stomach, too. How to enjoy. Eat it fresh and cold as a light snack. Freeze small chunks for a quick icy treat. Blend it into a juice or smoothie with a splash of lime. Watermelon is simple, cooling, and easy to add to your summer meals. Buttermilk, the gut soother. Buttermilk, also known as Chaz, in many parts of the world is the grandma-approved drink of summer. It's cold, comforting, and feels like a spa day for your digestive system. When the heat turns your stomach into a drama queen, Buttermilk steps in with a gentle probiotic-powered pep talk. Besides being incredibly refreshing, it helps replace lost electrolytes and keeps things moving smoothly. It's loaded with gut-friendly bacteria that your intestines high-five every time you take a sip. And let's be real, on a scorching day, who wouldn't want to skip the heavy meals and sip on something that tastes like salty, spiced magic? How to enjoy. Drink it plain with a pinch of salt and roasted cumin, a combo that never misses. Add fresh mint or coriander if you're feeling fancy or just want to pretend you're at a health retreat. Use it as a base for cold soups or smoothies when your kitchen creativity kicks in. It's like giving your insides a cool breeze with flavor. Curd yogurt, the natural AC for your stomach. Curd, or yogurt depending on where you're from, is edible air conditioning. 1 spoonful and it's like your digestive system just walked into a chilled room with the ceiling fan on full blast. It's loaded with probiotics, which are the good bacteria your gut throws a party for. These helpful microbes not only cool you down, but also keep things calm when heat tries to mess with your mood and your bowels. And let's be honest, if you've ever survived a spicy curry, you know that side of curd isn't just a garnish. It's a life-saving cool-down button, keeping your taste buds from filing a complaint. How to enjoy it. Pair it with rice or flatbread and let the chill vibes take over your whole meal. Mix up raita with cucumber, mint, or even grated carrots, because the only thing better than cool is double cool. Toss it in a blender with fruit or spices for a lassi or yogurt smoothie that tastes like summer vacation in a glass. So go ahead, scoop it, sip it, swirl it. Your overheated insides will thank you. Barley, the ancient cooling grain. Barley is like the chill elder of the grain world. Not flashy, not trendy, but quietly powerful. This ancient grain has been cooling people down since the days of togas and stone ovens. It's naturally good at reducing body heat and helping your system flush out toxins. Think of it as the grain equivalent of a wise old uncle who shows up with practical advice and a bottle of barley water. And here's the kicker. Barley is a natural diuretic. In plain English, it gently encourages your body to let go of excess heat and water through urine. Yep, in the nicest way possible, barley helps you pee your way to feeling better. Not luxurious, but pretty effective. How to enjoy it. Barley soup with light spices is a cozy yet cooling option, comfort food that doesn't turn up the heat. Toss together a barley salad with cucumber, mint, and lemon juice for a crisp, refreshing lunch that won't weigh you down. Barley water is the MVP. Just boil barley in water, strain it, chill it, and sip throughout the day like an old-school hydration hack. So the next time the heat gets to you, ditch the soda and let barley do its quiet magic. Leafy Greens, your green ticket to chill. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and fenugreek are your body's built-in coolant system, kind of like an edible air conditioner. Sure, they make your smoothie look like pond water, but your overheated body will thank you. These greens are packed with water, fiber, and chlorophyll, that magical plant green stuff, which help detox your system and naturally bring your body temperature down. But here's the catch. Don't drown them in oil, overspice them, or cook them to death. That turns your cool little green helpers into sweaty messes, just like when we're overdressed on a summer day. How to enjoy it. Lightly sautéed spinach with garlic and just a touch of oil, tasty and still cooling. Steamed greens with a squeeze of lemon and a dash of salt, clean, simple, and refreshing. Spinach dal or soup with minimal spices, warm but still soothing, like a light summer blanket for your belly. Think of leafy greens as your summer sidekick, green, reliable, and always down to help you chill. Literally. Foods to avoid when you're overheating. While some foods help you cool down, others can crank up your internal thermostat. Here are a few to steer clear of during the sweltering months. Spicy foods. Sure, spice makes life exciting, but it also makes your body feel like it's doing hot yoga in a volcano. Chili and black pepper raise your body temperature, which is not ideal in summer. Save the fire-breathing dragon routine for winter meals. Mild is the new wild. Red meat. Red meat is like a heavyweight workout for your stomach, intense and sweaty. It takes you longer to digest, generating extra body heat you definitely don't need in 90-degree Fahrenheit weather. Go with fish or lentils, unless you enjoy sweating while sitting still. Your gut and armpits will thank you. Caffeine. Caffeine may wake you up, but it also dries you out faster than a group chat when you mention you're going on a diet. Dehydration messes with your body's natural cooling system. Maybe swap that third coffee for coconut water? Your sweat glands could use a break. Sugary treats. Sugar rush, more like a sugar ambush. You'll crash faster than your Wi-Fi during a Zoom call. Plus, it makes your body work overtime, turning you into a slow-roasted version of yourself. Fresh fruit. The sweet treat that doesn't make you feel like a baked potato. Fried and oily foods. Think of your digestive system as an office worker. Fried food is the surprise overtime on a Friday. Heavy, greasy meals make it harder to cool down. Instead of feeling crispy on the outside and hot on the inside, try grilled or steamed dishes. You'll feel lighter and less deep-fried. Bonus cooling tips. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Wear light clothing. Opt for breathable fabrics like cotton. Take cool showers. A quick rinse can lower your body temperature. Avoid peak sun hours. Stay indoors during the hottest parts of the day. Which of these cooling foods is your favorite? Do you have any go-to summer recipes or tips to beat the heat? Share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's melting this summer. Stay fit, stay sharp, and we'll see you in the next video.